In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gemini voice on Google app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to pick the voice that sounds best to you, so Gemini's spoken replies feel more natural and comfortable. First, open the Google app on your device. This is the standard Google app you use for search, discover, and quick answers. Make sure you're in the app's main screen so the next options are easy to find. Next, go to Settings. This is where all the customization lives. You're looking for the section that controls features and preferences specific to the Google app, including Gemini. Take a moment here to glance through the options so you know what else is available, but stay focused on finding the Gemini section. Now, tap Gemini. This brings up the controls that affect how Gemini behaves inside the Google app. It's the hub for things like interaction style and, importantly for this video, the voice settings. Inside the Gemini settings, choose Gemini's voice. This is the place where you can switch between the available voice options. You'll see a list of voices, each with its own tone, pacing, and sometimes a different accent or style. These choices are designed to help you find a voice that feels clear, friendly, and easy to listen to over longer sessions. From here, select the voice you prefer. Tap a voice to preview a short sample so you can hear how it sounds. Pay attention to clarity, speed, and how well it fits the way you like to consume spoken information. If a voice sounds a bit fast or slow to you, try another until you find a good match. When you've decided, simply select that voice. Your choice is saved right away and will apply the next time Gemini speaks in the Google app. A couple of quick tips as you decide. Use headphones for the most accurate sense of tone and warmth, especially if you listen to audio answers in noisy places. If you often multitask while listening, pick a voice with a steady pace and clear enunciation. And remember, you can come back here anytime and switch to a different option if your preferences change. That's it. Open the Google app, go to Settings, tap Gemini, choose Gemini's voice, and select the voice you like. Enjoy a more personalized listening experience with Gemini, and thanks for watching.